Did you know that the diamonds you adore are actually a form of carbon that has been under the Earth's surface for billions of years? That's right, carbon is a versatile and ubiquitous element. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and yes, even in the glittering diamonds we wear. It's all around us, playing a vital role in sustaining life on Earth. So, ready to delve deeper? Now that you're intrigued, prepare to embark on a journey through the fascinating world of the carbon cycle. Imagine carbon as an adventurous traveler, journeying through the earth, air, and sea. Our tale begins with carbon in the atmosphere, taking the form of carbon dioxide, a gas that plants just can't get enough of. Through a process called photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide, using the carbon to grow and produce oxygen. As if by magic, carbon dioxide in the air transforms into the building blocks of life within the green leaves of plants. This carbon doesn't stay in plants forever, though. When animals munch on plants, they take in this carbon, using it to fuel their own growth and energy. In this way, carbon travels from the air to plants and then to animals. But of course, the journey doesn't end there. Every time animals breathe out, they release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, a process known as respiration. The same happens when plants and animals die and decompose, returning their stored carbon back to the atmosphere. Now let's not forget about the Earth. Over millions of years, dead plants and animals can get buried and turn into fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels store carbon deep within the Earth. But when humans burn these fossil fuels for energy, we release that stored carbon back into the atmosphere. So you see, carbon is a real globetrotter. You may ask, why should I care about carbon's travels? Well, the carbon cycle plays a critical role in sustaining life on our planet. It's not just a scientific concept, but a real ongoing process that has a direct impact on our climate. When there's an imbalance in the carbon cycle, we see the effects in the form of climate change. You see, carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, traps heat in our atmosphere. When too much carbon dioxide is released, more heat is trapped, leading to global warming. Moreover, the carbon cycle is essential for the health of our ecosystems. Carbon, in the form of carbon dioxide, is a fundamental building block for plant life, which in turn supports all animal life. In other words, maintaining balance in the carbon cycle is vital to the survival of all life forms on Earth. Understanding the carbon cycle isn't just about science, it's about understanding our home, planet Earth.